Today we pay homage to a woman with the distinction of securing numerous firsts under her belt, a scholar and champion for women and girls across the Caribbean. We honor a woman whose accolades narrate her hard work and ascension to the positions she has occupied in her lifetime. Madam Justice DESIREE Burnette is an exceptional legal icon. Justice DESIREE Burnette was born on March 2, 1939 at 3rd Street, Alberton in Georgetown, Guyana, an only child who was often described as smart. She attended St. Ambrose School in Georgetown and later went to schools in Saudi Essequibo and Albion Berbice before settling in Plaisance. She later secured a place at the Bishop's High School. Upon completion, DESIREE had hopes of joining the teaching profession but was advised to give the law a try. She joined the legal firm that was headed by Fred Wills, where she gained valuable experience. DESIREE would soon graduate with honors with a Bachelor's of Law degree from London University by 1963. In 1964, she returned to Guyana as a qualified solicitor and joined Cameron & Shepherd law firm a year later. DESIREE continued to distinguish herself in her profession in 1980, making history as the first woman judge of the Supreme Court of Guyana after practicing as a lawyer in the civil jurisdiction. She continued to break stereotypes with her appointment as the first female justice of the Court of Appeal in 1993, and in 1996, the first female Chief Justice of Guyana. In 2001, she became the first female Chancellor of the Judiciary of Guyana and the Caribbean. In 2005, she became the first female judge of the Caribbean Court of Justice. Burnette over the years has written extensively on the legal rights of women and children and is regarded as an expert on gender issues, particularly violence against women. She also compiled a book called Reflections and Opinions, which is a collection of speeches and presentations. She was a part of both regional and international organizations, having been the founding secretary of the Caribbean Women's Association in 1970-74, first president of the Organization of Commonwealth Bar Association in 1976, member and chair of the Caribbean Steering Committee for Women's Affairs, later established as the Women and Development Unit of UWI in 1978. Internationally, Justice Burnette served as both rapporteur in 1982 to 1984 and chair in 1985 to 1989 of the United Nations Committee on the Elimination of Discrimination Against Women during her membership, which ran from 1982 to 1998. Madam Burnette's accomplishments were rewarded with the Medal of Service from the Caribbean Women's Association and the Order of Roraima of Guyana. Most recently, she was conferred an honorary doctorate of laws by the University of Guyana. We salute the stellar contributions of Madam Justice DESIREE Burnette to the legal profession and women across the Caribbean. Tomorrow we continue our celebration of our local Black heroes by shining the spotlight on a phenomenal, world-renowned dancer, choreographer, and writer. Tune in at 2000 hours to find out who it is.